Hi guys, in this video I'm going to test this camera using the SD card files that comes in the USB. In the first video I showed you, I showed you how we can test this by using this software Voltage Vision, but here there is a little of slow motion. There is slow, but when now I'm going to use the SD card, the SDK, and this problem will be fixed. Let's test this camera using the Python files. Okay, basically I have un 60 file, and we are going to open this file in the console. Let's see what happens. You will see this is my hand. You can see here, guys, that this is very fluid. There is not slow motion. There is no slow motion. What happens if I have this? You can see, guys, the required for this is have installed. You need to have installed opencv and Python. In my case, I am using Python 3.10 and opencv 4. Now I'm going to take I'm going to say a frame. When I press the letter C, I will say a frame and see what happens. Okay, guys. Let's see. Update this code. Go here. Let me see. Yes, here. I'm going to paste this code. Then I'm going to copy this. But before I need to copy this. I'm going to create a folder called images. Let me see if this is recording. Yes, it's recording. Let's see and test this. Sorry, there is a problem. Let's see. Oh, una entidad. Oh, this should be here. Let's see. Oh, guys. Sorry. This problem always happens with Python. Yes. Basically, I copy this. I'm going to copy this. Let's see what happened. Okay. K is not defined, says. Sorry, let me see ChatGPT. Sorry. I'm going to stop this. Okay, right now it's fine. Just I need to write this code. I'm going to say a simple image. I'm going to press C. Okay. Let's see. No, nothing happened. I'm going to press C again. This, basically, the camera disconnected. Was disconnected. Also, is not a file size. Oh, sorry. We don't need this. I'm going to close this. I'm going to press again C. I press it. Nothing happened. C. But ahí está. You can see the frame. That is. I'm going to read this. I'm going to move this. I press C. Ahí está. There is blue. Is no focused. You can see that I move fastest, but here is the image. Repeat again. I'm going to move. Press C. I'm going to press C. This is the result. I'm going to press C. You can see, guys. The image is no focus. There is no. I'm going to press C again. Here is. Get your conclusion, guys. Your best opinion is your opinion. Okay, guys, I'm going to move this fast. You can see I move fast this, but there is no the image Desenfoca, ¿cómo se dice desenfoco? Desenfoco. There is no blur. I move fastest, but there is no blur, guys. Fast, 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 fast. It's fast. That is fast. But if I move, there is a little blur. No blur. No, there is no extreme blur. You can see. You can see, guys. Going to read this. But the difference, you can see the difference with this software. If I move again, all things working properly. What happens if I take a picture? You can see, guys. I'm moving fastest. You can see. You can see, guys. I'm moving fast. Okay, guys, that's it. This is a very weird video, but I hope you clear your doubts with this camera. You can see. You can see, guys. You can see. Okay, guys, that's it. Bye bye.